Hi! In front of me is Huawei Mate 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can choose the food apps on this device. First of all, go into the Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click Home button. Now you need to go into Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications and select Default Apps. Over here, pick one of those sections. I want to choose my browser apps. I have to tap on Browser and tap on Opera. Then you need to select Change and go back. And now, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!